Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down and tap on the security. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in the device administration section we've got credential storage, so let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of those options we've got remove all user certificates. So all you have to do is simply tap on it, and if your device will ask you if you really want to do it, if you really want to remove all the contents, just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.